Hey guys, today I'm doing a little bit of maintenance to the BMW. I'm going to clean all the leather in this car. Really dirty, it needs it. Who knows how long this dirt has been stuck on this car. About a 20-year-old car, and time to make it look like it's brand new. So let's get to it. Before I start, here's a spot I already tested cleaned. Here's what the whole panel here was looking like. It's a dark brown. I know you can see it from here, and it's horrendous. So that's what we're gonna change right now. Only two things. Look at that. That's quite a difference than before. So, I'm at home and I have a couple things going on. First off, Joby tripods are no good. This sort of fell off. I need to glue that back together. This is brand new, by the way. I've only had it for about a week. That's awful. Second, I ordered new rear set or frame or whatever it's called for the motorcycle, where you have your passenger foot peg and then you have driver's side foot peg. I just got it like half an hour ago, and this is the current condition it came in. Now, I'll post the pictures on here right now so you can see the difference, and see if I can put them side by side and overlay it right there. So, obviously the paint's a lot more scratched up, and it was a really bad job initially. And I knew this foot peg was bent, but what I didn't know was that this actual part of the frame was bent. You can see pinches right here in the metal, especially right there. So I'm going to have to fix that. This is garbage, not a problem, but I'm going to have to do some sanding on this, and I have to fix that. I want it to look nice and straight and look nice. So, I mean, I guess I get what I pay for. I bought it off eBay. Let's move on.
See, here's the problem, stuff sticks to everything. A piece of wax paper would be better to work it on, because stuff is sticky. All you do is knead it, like Doug, get that black, see the black smudges in it? You want to knead it till it's all one color. And it'll start hardening on you if it takes too long, but this is good for stuff that you want something that's going to stick. It's not liquidy, so it's kind of good for certain applications more than others. And I think this stuff will stick to just about anything. Now it's a uniform color. So if you're careful enough and put it in there, it won't. You can get it so you won't glob out. But if you don't care about that, and you don't care about seeing a little bit of it oozing out,
I would like to make it nice.
Okay.
Looking within reason.
Well then, hold that up and show me how that goes, so I get a little bit of an idea down into
that groove. Careful of the leg on that table.
Yes.
Probably just weld a piece between it at some point.
Looks
like it.
Still like to
Well, it doesn't need to be perfect. I was just hoping to improve it, Tad. Obviously, this whole thing needs to be repainted, but
Where was it at before? Straight out?
not straight out. There was a curve to it, but like you can sort of see that these sides were flat. So as long as you get both sides relatively flat, it should be back to where it was originally.
I think we need to here.
Why don't you move it down a little farther, because you're on that nub right there. It's not really working well.
Kind of like that nub, but that's okay.
If you're just right below it, then it'll grip well.
Well,
Either on the weld or move the weld down further.
I don't know. See, this goes.
So basically on the bike, it sits something like that.
This was, what was this? The back?
That's for the sort of main rider's footrest with a foot brake that attaches on the inside. Because what happened to mine, bolt sheared off from my buddy's house, and we haven't been able to get it out, so I just ordered this off eBay. It looks pretty good to me.
I'm thinking it's gotta go a little more, but maybe not.
No, it's pretty curved like that. So that goes on the inside there, but that screw's bent, so it doesn't go in too far, and I don't want to push it. I already bought the new hardware, but I want to reuse this washer because I lost mine, and then this sleeve I want to keep. So, but that's garbage, so we can forget about that. I'll keep the extra pin just in case I ever need it again.
I have another one over here.
Yeah, the foot peg.
I don't know how that goes.
Basically like that. Yeah. Yeah, that should be the same one that I replaced already.
The seam is bent.
Well, yeah, no, it's definitely not.
Yeah, I'd say there you go.
Alright, cool. So now all I need to do is sand that down, reprime it, and paint it black again. Because whoever painted that did a terrible job.
Yeah.
So,
Let's put your pin in here.
thanks, Dad.
You're welcome. I was teasing him when I'm doing the video.
That?
I was teasing Carl when we're doing the video. I say, Dan and Carl here. Okay, let me think where it is. That's toothwash.
Hey, Dad, this is a picture of you, right? Cornhill, Cape Cod? Right?
Yeah. No.
No,
I'm
that's
in the
not you.
glider flying. I took a picture of somebody else flying by.
Is that you?
No, I'm in
No.
the glider. I'm taking a picture
Oh,
from
you're in the
glider.
air already. Oh,
Now
okay.
this is a
I
picture
didn't
of
realize
me
that.
in Francis Peak, Utah. My buddy took a picture of me flying along in 1980.
There you go.
That was a crazy place.
It's one of the gliders he has. You gotta learn one of these days.
Yeah, that's a trainer glider, but it's actually a tandem glider.
Oh.
Heavy. That's the only problem with it. It's heavy.
Alright. On to the
let's
next
see.
part.
Sand cotter pins, they might be in the 2-ish thing. thought I bring them down when I went to do that belt down in
Gonna let this sit
May.
and harden, and that should be fixed.
Let me look up here. I might have some here.
I don't want to lose this guy. Powder bins. I thought you had like a little plastic bin like down here.
Oh, I had a little round plastic thing.
No, that's nails.